Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we will discuss about failure of SDD attribute evaluation. In our last class, we clearly discussed about dependency graph that shows the evaluation of attributes in SDD. This is a continuation class. Please watch our previous class and come back here. Let's refresh the previous class once for 30 seconds. Then we go into our concept. This is the example which we have considered. For this example, we are going to design the annotated parse tree. This is how it shows that annotated parse tree. So these are the context free grammars, these are the semantic conditions, and in order to, during the execution of our context free grammar, we have to mention the way in which these variables, these attributes is going to evaluate. That is shown using dependency graph. The dependency graph is shown in our previous class. This is the annotated parse tree. For this annotated parse tree, how the values are going to evaluate, that is shown using this dependency graph. This is how it is going to evaluate. This value is forwarded to f dot value. This f dot value is forwarded to tree dash dot h, and this digit value is given to f dot value. These both values t dot h and f dot value is given to here this variable. This is how it is going to execute. Either you can use LL1, means top down approach, or bottom up approach. During your execution of bottom up or top down approach, the attribute evaluation should be done. Is it possible to do that evaluation all the time? No, sometimes the evaluation is not possible. Which situations that are? That is we are going to discuss in this class. See, let's take an example. See, let's take a production like this. A tends to B. For this production, if you write the semantic conditions like this, A dot S is equal to B dot I, B dot I is equal to A dot S plus 1. If you draw the dependency graph for this A tends to B, it is the graph A tends to B, A is expanding with B. We are going with top down approach, A is expanding to B. So A dot S, A is having A dot S, B is having B dot I. So B dot I depends on A dot S depends on B dot I. In your dependency graph cycle, you are forming a cycle. So during the evaluation, during the expansion of your context free grammar, if your evaluation is forming a cycle, then it is not possible to calculate the attributes that are mentioned here in your SDD. So you should eliminate these cycles. So that is how you have to prepare your conditions for SDD, semantic conditions for the given context free grammar. How to eliminate these cycles? There are few conditions. If you follow those conditions, you will never get these cycles. What's those conditions? How to follow those conditions? What's those conditions for a top down approach? What's those conditions for bottom up approach? That we are going to discuss in our next class. So today's class, if you form the cycle, it is not possible to evaluate the attributes that are present in our semantic conditions during the execution of this context free grammar. That is the point you have to understand from this. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.